Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2012 Nissan Titan SL in gray. It has black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box with a canopy. This has a 5.6 liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has backup sensors as well as a spray-in liner. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 2 drivers. The driver's seat is powered. You have power pedals. You also have backup sensors, and your steering wheel can tilt. With the aid of a running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your volume control, as well as dash controls and your cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you're also seeing the range there. In the center, you've got a little cubby as well. You've got the JVC display there for AM, FM, as well as satellite radio. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. Down below, dual climate control. You have your front defrost as well as AC. And up above is where your volume and tuner are located. Down below, your hazard lights. You have heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as traction control. And your automatic shifter, a couple of cup holders. There's a little bin to put items, and then you can open up the armrest in the center here towards the driver and put items in there. Lots of room. Off to the side is another 12 volt. You also have a glove compartment. Up above, you have an auto dimming rear view mirror and garage door opener. And then as well, you've got your lighting controls, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. You also have a nice powered moonroof, and the button for that is here. It's a little bit wet today, so we're going to leave it closed. And you can manually close up the blind if it gets a little bit too bright for you. Mud flaps, chrome and black running board, chrome door handle, driver's side, fuel cap, and you're seeing this little outline on the back here, right near where the rear tire is. It actually opens up with your door key, and there's a little area there to put items. In the back, you're seeing the canopy that can be locked, and your tailgate is lockable as well. You have backup sensors on your bumper, a 7-pin connector, trailer hitch. There is a backup camera there, and this may be aftermarket, so there's no warranty implied or stated here. And then when you're ready to open it up, you simply open up the top glass. You can pop things in if you want to without opening up the tailgate, and then you open up the tailgate if you want the whole thing open. You've got a nice spray-in liner, and there's a window in the back as well as windows on the side. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. As well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you can easily bring the seat up. You've got a little control there to do that, and then you just lift the seat up. Now I'm not sure if I can do it with one hand because this is the 40 side or the 60 side, the bigger side of the two, and you have a window that'll slide down in the back. There's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, carpeted mats on the floor, and in the center there you've got a 12 volt as well as a bin that comes down, and it's got a couple of cup holders. There's a grab handle in the body, and up above you've got your lighting and another sunglass holder. Bumper, 5-foot box, canopy, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.